What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadijah. Welcome to my channel. Today we are back with another hair tutorial for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's move right along to the video. We'll be installing the unit from VShow Hair. This is their packaging. We did receive some goodies in our package as well. We're installing today. This is their 20-inch Burmese curly unit. And the lace was already pre-cut for us, the wig was pre-plucked, and it comes with the removable band. And then this wig cap actually has another adjustable band in there to secure your unit. And again, it comes with the comb inside. This is what the wig is looking like. I can already tell by the look of this unit that we're gonna get some really nice curls. It's super soft, very bouncy, and the curls are fluffy on this unit. Once it blows out, this is it. I will be leaving the information for this unit in my description, so go ahead and check out my description. I'm just gonna go ahead and roll right into the video.
So the wig is giving us a really natural look at the roots. I actually can tell just by looking at this that it's going to give us a pretty natural finish. The curls are super soft. The hair itself is just gorgeous. I actually love the length of this unit. It just falls right on my shoulder. And I just love this unit overall. Like, it's super gorgeous, super soft, and I can tell already it's going to give us a pretty flawless finish. So let's go ahead and move right into the install. So this is the final look. I love how this turned out. I ended up using my wand curl to give me some curls, and I actually love that I did that because it brings out the Burmese curls a little bit better. And I just love how this unit sits on my head. Super lightweight, super bouncy, and I love it. Again, this unit is from VShow Hair. This is their 20-inch Burmese curly unit. I love it. It's gorgeous. It's super soft. The curls are just giving a flawless look, and I love everything about this unit. It's super shiny, super bouncy, and it's giving us a really natural finish. I love how gorgeous this unit is. If you want to get this unit, I will be leaving the information down below, so go ahead and check out my description. If you want to get any other product from VShow Hair, I will be leaving their link down below as well. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.